Hello guys and welcome back to Speed to Garage. Today we're going to be cleaning my 2012 Dodge Challenger engine. In this video I will go over what you have to cover in order to clean up your own car engine and what products should you use in order to clean it effectively and safe. Alright guys, so I have a different array of things right here. Starting off with this Chemical Guys orange degreaser. I'll be using this since it has worked pretty well on my rims and every other part of my car. A microfiber cloth, a bag, and a couple of brushes. These brushes I found them on Amazon for approximately $15. It brings a whole array of different styles of brushes. Alright, first off we want to start by covering every single important part of this car. In the case of this car, it is only the air intake which I have to cover with this bag. Once we have that covered, we will go ahead and start saturating the engine on the most important parts, and the parts are full actually of oil. So as we go along, we will keep saturating the engine. Alright, so that sprayer failed on me. We're back. Once we're done with the saturation process, we'll go ahead and grab one of these brushes and wet it and start scrubbing all around the engine. Alright guys, remember to scrub everything thoroughly in circular motion.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Okay, so now comes the very Okay guys, so now comes the most important part, and that's cleaning up the engine or rinsing the engine. In order to rinse the engine, you have to use a very fine mist. You don't want to get all those electrical components wet. Okay, so we're gonna grab our hose and we're just gonna sprinkle a small amount of water all over the engine, removing the excess soap. Once your excess soap is removed, you will go ahead and grab your microfiber towel and you will go ahead and dry the whole engine. Guys, once you're done, please remember to remove this bag from the intake. If not, you will destroy your intake filter. Alrighty guys, so we're done here with this engine. There are optional steps obviously if you want to add some shine to your plastics or anything like that. I'm not gonna do that because tomorrow I have a rally or a race, you know, and I don't want to have anything smelling weird or smoking during the event. Another quite interesting thing you can do in order to dry up your engine is use a blower. In this case, you will remove all the excess water from the electronics and all of the excess water collected on the headers of the vehicle. Alright guys, so that is it for today on Speed to Garage. Subscribe for more.